Kennywood is hosting their very first drone show, and already it's turning out to be a day full of big crowds and mayhem. How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and let's go in and try to make Kennywood history and see what the park is like today. So let's go in and try to have some fun. Skyrocket is currently a 45-minute wait, and here at the bottom of the queue, it's almost like a water ride with those misters. Old Mill has mostly a full queue and is at an advertised 60-minute wait. We now have an orange paddle boat, and Kennywood has announced that they will be slowly repainting and refurbing all the paddle boats. So it's going to be a lot more colorful out here on the water soon. This may be the longest line I have ever seen for the merry-go-round. Right where I started, the end of the line encircles the entire merry-go-round. At the moment, Jackrabbit has more of a normal queue. The full queue is filled and spilling out a little bit into the midway. However, on an average day, this actually happens quite often as the queue line is not very big. Over at the racer, we have a full queue, and it is extending out in front of the RC trucks. It is the end of July, but we have a Mother's Day buffet going on in the End Zone Cafe. Air 360 has a full queue line, and do not believe that sign. It is definitely not a 10-minute wait. Over at one of the former Bites and Pints booth, they are selling nostalgic gifts, such as posters, books, ornaments, and t-shirts. Right here at Thomastown, you might be wondering, what is this long line for? It's actually for Flynn's fire trucks. Spinvasion's queue line is about full, and it's advertised at a 40-minute wait. And here's something you don't see every day. The extended queue is open for Noah's Ark. The queue line for Black Widow is full, and it is at an advertised 70-minute wait. Pittsburgh Plunge's queue line is about half full. This is normally a ride that has a very short wait.
3 digits.
I don't know what, I think it might be. Yeah, but only 2 people apart. I think I found the longest line in the park. Exterminator's queue line is almost full, and it's still running limited capacity, and it is at a 2-hour wait. It's great to report that the Turtle is now back open. It is advertised at a 60-minute wait. Although this looks like more of an average wait for the Turtle. It'll probably be more like 20 or 30 minutes. Again, really happy this is back up and running. It was down for a good period of time this summer. They have a conga line, but there's no music going.
Kenny, start making your way back up to the front, please. Friends, we do apologize for the inconvenience, but our dance party is going to be cut short today. But don't worry, Kenny and Parker are going to stick around for some photos right up here on stage. So come and say hello, shake a hand, get a picture. Kenny wants to see you all for his birthday.
Ran to another fan here at Kennywood. What's your name, sir?
Silas.
All right, what's your favorite ride here?
Probably the Black Widow.
Nice, good choice. All right, have a good day, bud.
Thank you.
Here's the line for Thunderbolt. It's currently advertised at 40 minutes. Raging Rapids has a full queue, and it looks to be broken down at the moment, seeing how there are a whole bunch of guests standing on the turntable and it's not turning. And just like that, Jackrabbit has no line. Neither does the Racer, as both rides are currently closed as they are about to test for the drone show tonight. And speaking of that, they are offering a VIP paddle boat viewing experience, $40 a boat for you to watch the drone show on the water. It also includes lemonade and a bucket of popcorn.
Oh, they lost it there. Must be during holiday lights when it's running slow. Oh no, it's gonna fall off the truck. I saw that. Good call, bro. Kennywood is
The drone show is over, but Kennywood is still open for another half an hour. Everyone's leaving. We're heading the opposite direction to get on some rides. Here we go. No line for the Thunderbolt. Walk on for Phantom's Revenge to end the night.
Welcome to the green train. How was the ride?
And that's gonna do it here from a pretty chaotic day here at Kennywood. This park was absolutely slammed today, and around the drone show, not much organization planning up to it. A lot of people didn't even know where they were going to be taken off. I did get some intel before the show, which was good, and I think I got a pretty decent spot. The drone show itself, I thought some of it was better than I was expecting, but then other parts were disappointing. The actual drones themselves, the designs, very cool, very elaborate, very animated, and very Kennywood and Pittsburgh oriented, and the crowd was absolutely loving it. The downsides, though, was that there were some spotlights hitting on the midway that kept going on and off. It was definitely not part of the show, and it definitely ruined some sight lines in your view, giving lens flares on the cameras and everything. That wasn't good. Before the show, there was actually a DJ with loud music pumping to amp you up, but then when the show began, there was music, but you could hardly hear it. I think having some drones in sync with music, like what I saw earlier this year at Dollywood, would be going the next level. This went over very well, I think. I mean, the park was busy, people loved it, and I hope that Kennywood would consider having more drone shows in the future. I would love to see one around holiday lights. That would be great. Maybe change it up every year or so and have it more often than a one-night event like this, because having that, almost everybody was here, and it was wild. While the park was really busy getting out, as soon as the drone show was over, the park was pretty much dead for the last half hour. We rode Thunderbolt and Phantom's Revenge before the night was up, so that really made up for it. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more amusement park content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.